Hello and welcome to this new EdgeSEO challenge. Today we are stepping things up a notch. You'll be configuring the meta robot tag. And as always with EdgeSEO, you'll be able to implement your recommendation independently. We're doing this properly directly from the SEO Recommendation application. SEO Recommendation is the conductor of your SEO optimizations. You define a target where you want to deploy your solution, apply one or more SEO recipes, and voila, your strategies are live. In our case, we want to control whether or not a page appears in Google's index by adding and configuring the MetaRobot tag with the right attributes. Let's go back to the site and check out a product page. So on the product page, as you can see, the MetaRobot tag is empty. There is no MetaRobot tag, so no attribute. So our goal will be to add the MetaRobot tag with the index follow attributes to all product pages. And luckily, basically, all my product pages end with .html. So we're going to use this page pattern to target all of them with the SEO Recommendation app. So here we go, we're in the SEO Recommendation app. The first step will be to add a recommendation. Click on the button. Then we'll give this recommendation a name, so modification of the MetaRobot tag. You can also set a goal. In the next step, we'll target the pages where we want to deploy this recommendation. Here you have several criteria to target pages. If you want more details on all the criteria, I invite you to read the documentation found below the video. But in our case, we're going to use request path and matches a regex to target a set of pages that correspond to all my product pages, which, as I mentioned earlier, end with HTML. So this is a regex that will allow me to say, apply my recommendation to all my product pages. Next, you click on the following step. Here, we are not going to associate a data set. We'll explain what that is a bit later. We are also not going to retrieve variables here, but know that you can retrieve variables from the page to reuse them in your SEO recipes. Then we'll arrive at the SEO recipe store, which basically corresponds to the same recipes as in bulk SEO, with one difference. You'll be able to apply them to page templates. So here we're going to click on the SEO MetaRobot recipe and we'll check index follow because those are the attributes we want to associate with our page, and then we'll save the rule. You should also know that you can configure the title, the meta description, and the canonical. Next, we save the recommendation, and now we're going to go back to the page. Here, as you can see, we still have MetaRobot without any attributes. We're going to refresh our page. I'm refreshing. And now, at this point, normally when we go ahead and relaunch the plugin, you'll see that the MetaRobot has switched to index follow. Obviously, if I go back to my home page and select another product from the available options, this change will actually be applied to all of my pages, not just the one I was on before, ensuring consistency throughout the entire site. So here as well, it is correctly set to index and follow. Congratulations, you've just taken control of the indexability of your pages in a self-sufficient way. And I'll see you very soon for a new challenge. And until then, may the tag be with you.